Have you ever looked at a plant? Considered the incredible complexity hidden within its simple form? It turns out these organisms are far more sophisticated than we might imagine. They're using the most counterintuitive principles of physics, quantum mechanics, to power life itself. Today, we will unravel the secrets of photosynthesis and discover how plants achieve what seems next to impossible. For starters, photosynthesis is the process by which plants take in carbon dioxide, water, and photons to synthesize their own food, sugars that fuel their growth and life processes. It's the foundation of almost all life on Earth. And quantum physics, on the other hand, is the study of the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, where classical physics fails. It's a realm where things aren't always where we expect them to be, where particles can be in multiple places at once, and where energy comes in discrete brackets. Quantum physics is a vast and complex topic, which I have explored in detail in my quantum physics playlist. I'd highly recommend checking those videos if you are not familiar with the fundamental concepts that make up quantum physics. But for our purposes today, we will focus on how some of these quantum principles play a crucial role in photosynthesis. Plants capture light using pigments like chlorophyll, located in structures called chloroplasts within their cells. When a photon hits a chlorophyll molecule, it excites an electron, giving it extra energy. This energy needs to be transferred to the reaction center where the actual conversion of light energy into chemical energy takes place. Now, here is where the quantum mechanics comes in. Instead of electron taking just one path to the reaction center, it exists in a superposition of states. This means it's exploring all possible paths simultaneously. And it's not just exploring, it's doing so coherently. This means that the electron's wave-like properties are synchronized, allowing it to move like a wave rather than a particle hopping from molecule to molecule. This wave-like motion allows the energy to feel out the most efficient route, the one with the least resistance. This quantum exploration and pathfinding process is what makes photosynthesis so incredibly efficient. It ensures that the energy is delivered to the reaction center with minimal loss, maximizing the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. So, the next time you see a plant, remember that it's not just a passive receiver of sunlight. It's a master of quantum mechanics, harnessing the strangest principle of the universe to power life itself. And this quantum efficiency is something scientists are trying to replicate in technologies like solar cells, potentially leading to breakthroughs in clean energy. The quantum world is all around us, even in the most familiar forms of life. And by understanding its secrets, we can unlock new possibilities for science and technology.